it's Ari from Ari's Tech Channel, and in this video I will be showing you how to use PyTTS X3 to make AI say what you want, like this.
Hello, it's Ari from Ari's Tech Channel.
I'm assuming you already have Python and pip installed, but if you don't, you can watch this tutorial on how to do it. Next, we will install PyTTS X3. To do this, you need to go into the search bar and type in CMD. Next, open up command prompt and then type in pip install PyTTS X3. I've already got PyTTS X3 installed, but for you it should load and install PyTTS X3. It might take a minute or so. Next, open up a Python file called tts.py or anything you really want, and then type in import PyTTS X3. Next, type in engine is equal to PyTTS X3.init. Init stands for initialize. Then type in engine.say and put in hello. In speech marks, of course, because we're talking about a string. Next, type in engine.run and wait. And add 2 parentheses as well. So far, this should be what your script looks like. Now click run and run module.
Hello.
And you should hear hello. So, this is good and all, but what happens if we don't want to put engine.run and wait? Because it's really annoying to put engine.run and wait after every single thing. So, what you need to do is type in def speak, and inside there, put in audio. Next, put a semicolon after there, and it should go a little bit after. That's good. In here, you want to type in engine.say, and then put in audio into the parentheses instead of speech marks. No speech marks, they won't work. Then put in engine.run and wait. And that's it. Now you just have to go out and put in speak. And then put anything you want into here. Like, hello, it's Ari from Ari's Tech Channel. And then click run.
Hello, it's Ari from Ari's Tech Channel.
And there we go. That's everything you need to do. But you can make it say anything. Even gibberish. Like, put in gibberish like that and run it.
Hello, it's Ari from Ari's Tech Channel. Hello, it's Ari from Ari's Tech Channel.
Isn't that funny? Thank you for watching Ari's Tech Channel, and watch this video next if you're bored. See you in the next one.